Okay, substitution on this one. Now, as of the moment, we don't have a variable by itself, but at least I have this y that's not multiplied. You just add 2x, make a 0x and add 2x there, and we have a new equation of, well, not a new one, y equals 2x plus 3. Similar to how you'd get it. Now you have a base, y, okay? Write the other equation. Now this time the base is y again. Base can be x too, okay? Sometimes you replace x. So replace your y with its expression of equal expression of 2x plus 3. So you have 3x minus 2 quantity 2x plus 3 equals 5. That is a negative 2, don't forget. So when I'm multiplying, it's got to be by a negative. So I drop the plus, you're going to have negative 4x and negative 6. And then you add the 3x behind it. Okay, so it's going to be negative 1x plus negative 6 equals 5. Okay, then you add 6, and negative 1x equals 11. X equals negative 11. Okay. Now to solve for y, use the base equation. Y equals 2x plus 3. Okay, so cross that x out and put negative 11. So that's 2 times negative 11 plus 3. And you times negative 22 and add 3, you get negative 19. Okay. Okay, then on the back side, elimination. Okay, elimination is different than substitution. Okay, with elimination, we underline, write the word add. Either the x's or y's have to add to 0. That's 9, that's 10, but we have the same number in front of the y here. So if I just switch the signs, then my y's would add to 0. Okay. So 5 plus negative 5 is 0, because that's going to be 3x. 5 negative 5 makes 0. 39 plus negative 27 is 12. Then you divide by 3 and you get 4 for x. Okay, now to find y, I would use one of the two. You got to use one of the two originals. We'll go 6x plus 5y equals 39. So we replace the x with 4. So that's 6 multiplied by 4 plus 5y equals 39. We know 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 plus 5y equals 39 minus the 24. So 5y would equal 15, then divide by 5, and y equals 3. So 4 and 3. Okay, next one. Elimination. Okay, write the word add. 5 plus 3 is not 0. Negative 9 plus 8 is not 0, so we don't have a 0. And unlike this problem where we had a common multiplier, we don't have a common multiplier. So you're going to multiply. You're going to multiply the x's kind of by each other. So multiply that by 3 and that by 5. So I'll multiply the rest of this equation by 3 and the rest of this one by 5. Okay? So it's going to be 15x minus 27y. Then negative 43 times 3 is negative 129. Bottom, you're going to have 15x plus 40y. And then 68 multiplied by 5 is 340. Now, if you add them right now, they're still not going to make 0, but now you at least have a common number. So you can just switch the sign. Switching the sign cancels it, but you got to switch the other two. So negative 27 plus negative 40 is negative 67y. This is going to make negative 469. And then I divide each side by negative 67. And that gives me my y value, whatever it's going to be. 7. Okay. So 7, y has a value of 7. Now to find the x, you just go into one of the equations. 5x minus 9y equals negative 43. And just replace your y with 7. Okay. So negative 9 times 7, that's going to be negative 63. Put plus, negative, or minus, it doesn't matter. Okay. Then you take out the 63 by adding. It's 20. Negative, and then divide by 5, and you get 4. So 4 and 7. Okay, elimination, substitutions where you got to look for the variable, the base variable by itself. Elimination, you're trying to add either the x's or the y's to 0 so they eliminate.